Open up your mind and make the time right. Tryna put the young kid up in the limelight. Don't know if he ready, all the pressure been getting too heavy. But I've been coming for the top spot, there ain't no question.
What is poppin', Zane Gang? I'm back with another Fortnite video. Earlier today, Fortnite leaked some information about the Battle Pass Season 3. So this morning, Fortnite posted a picture on their account showing an astronaut jumping from the battle bus, and then in his mask you can see the reflection of an astronaut character. So this was pretty interesting. Remember, this was earlier this morning. About a couple weeks ago, I think a fan, I'm not sure if it was a fan or not, but there was a mock-up picture of an astronaut skin in Fortnite. But through the reflection of this astronaut, it almost looks identical. So then a couple hours later, Fortnite posted a little preview picture of the Battle Pass Season 3. So like last season, once you buy it, you start off getting a skin and then you get a couple other items. In Battle Pass Season 3, this picture shows that it is actually an astronaut. So the pictures that they've been releasing are the skin that you will receive by purchasing Battle Pass Season 3. On top of that, you get the 50 XP bonus. So that's all the same as last season, except the skin. And then we also have this new little booklet icon. And what this is Battle Pass challenges. So instead of having daily challenges, we're going to have weekly challenges. This was also posted on their account. So now each week we'll have a new set of 7 challenges instead of a daily challenge every day. They announced on their account that you can complete 4 out of the 7 weekly challenges to unlock your rewards. So choose the challenges that best fit your style. So also in this picture you can see there are 50 star tiers, whatever you want to call them. So that is 5 levels on each one basically. So, you know, through 7 weeks, that's 35 tiers just from weekly challenges or the stars or whatever you want to call them. So one thing I would like to add is that instead of 70 tiers in this season, there's going to be 100. So that's 30 more. And with that 30 more, there's going to be additional items. Before we talk about the additional items, if we can level up 35 tiers just from weekly challenges, that means we're going to have 65 tiers, you know, just naturally. So I completed the Battle Pass, you know, with about 10 days remaining. I didn't play every day. I did play a lot, however, but I was really focused on those daily challenges, and that really helped me get all the way up to tier 70. So this will be interesting, you know, how long we'll have on this Battle Pass and how it'll all work with these weekly challenges. So a lot of you guys are probably wondering, you know, what else are we getting? You know, 100 tiers, it's a lot more than 70, so basically, in Season 2, we only had 4 outfits. It was the 2 different basic knights, 1 girl, 1 guy. Then we had like the glitter girl, and then, you know, tier 70 was the black knight. In the Season 3 Battle Pass, there's going to be 6 outfits. The only one confirmed is the astronaut. And in Season 2, you know, the first outfit was a knight, and the last outfit was a knight. So I'm not sure if the astronaut, you know, signifies anything about this season, if it's going to be like a space, you know, type of theme season. You know, that's something that we'll have to find out in, I guess, a couple days when it's released. There's going to be the same amount of pickaxes with 3, same amount of emotes with 4. There's going to be same amount of gliders with 3. And then they added these things called back blings, and there's 3 of them in this Season 3 pass. I have no idea what these are, but I'm assuming it's going to be something that is on the back of your character. Maybe it's like, you know, a little like backpack clip-on or something going on your character. Like I said, I'm not too sure. I'm just kind of like guessing on this one. And then also new, it says skydiving FX trails. So what I'm expecting this to be is because in the last update, when you jump out of the bus, it sounds like you're swinging your pickaxe. So I assume that the skydiving sound, I assume there's sound effects. So there's going to be 5 of these throughout the pass, and you can change, you know, what it sounds like when you jump out of the battle bus. This one may be the most interesting to me. It says loading screens. There's going to be 8 of them. So I'm assuming this is the loading screen when you're loading into the game, not just the battle royale mode. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm just guessing on all this stuff. Really, none of it is, it's all confirmed, but none of it has been leaked yet. Only these couple pictures have been leaked by Fortnite. So it's either going to be a loading screen into the game, or it's going to be like where you select the like zombie mode or the battle royale mode. So that is my prediction on that. There's going to be 8 of those. That's actually cool that they're adding that stuff. You know, you can kind of customize your little like home screen, I guess you could say. And then there's going to be 23 banners opposed to 16 banners. and 21 basically emotes instead of 16, so like your little icons. So in total, you're going to have 30 more items than you did in Season 2 Battle Pass, which makes sense since there are 30 more battle tiers in this Season 3. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, there are 2 ways to buy the Battle Pass. So you can just buy it with your 950 V-Bucks, like it was last season. But they also added this new bundle. You get the Battle Pass plus 25 tiers right when you buy it, so you already be up 25 tiers than everybody else for 2,800 V-Bucks. So 2,800 V-Bucks is $25 because with the purchase of $25, you get 2,500 V-Bucks plus an additional 300. So you're talking $25, and then that's about a 40% discount if I did the math correctly. So it's a pretty good, if you know you're going to buy later on, or you don't think you're going to get there, naturally, I would go ahead and do this. It's a pretty good deal. But if you think you can get to all 100 tiers, like you play every day, you're going to be able to complete those weekly challenges pretty easily, then you might as well just save your money for a different skin or something like that. Speaking about skins, they also kind of leaked about 6 different new skins, and I think it was 3 days ago we were introduced to the Hyperion, and it's kind of I don't even know what it is. They call him like the Greasy Grove General or whatever, but he has like a headband on and stuff like that. And then we got introduced to I think it was called the Dominator or something. It was a girl, and she had a purple and orange suit on. And then today in the item shop, there was the Snorkel Ops, which is basically a girl. I'll show it on the screen. This is from the game today. She basically has like a scuba diving mask on and stuff like that. So those are 3 skins, and I'll show you a picture of the other ones here in a second. So those are the other skins that will be, cycling in and out throughout Season 3. I'm sure there's going to be some more, featured items. But on top of that, yeah, that's really all that we know right now from the update. Obviously, the Battle Pass ends in 2 days if you're watching the video on February 19th, which is when I'm recording it. So, we'll find out in, I guess, 2 days what everything else is going to be. Like I said, there's going to be 6 skins, and there's going to be a bunch of there's going to be Rocket Ride, like emotes and stuff like that. So it'll be cool, very, very cool to see Fortnite kind of leaking all this stuff. I mean, the game is already perfect, and it's just a great game. So I want you guys to comment your favorite skin you saw in this video. It can be the Astronaut or any of the other ones, but make sure to comment your favorite skin. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. If you guys want to see more Fortnite videos or any other type of videos, make sure to comment down below. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. I think we only need a couple more, so make sure to subscribe. And anyways, I'm going to stop rambling on. That's going to be the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.